Hey, hi ladies, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a lavender rejuvenating anti-aging mask. So I'm going to use the essential oils of lavender, rosemary and olive oil. So we're going to do anti-aging, moisturizing, rejuvenating mask. So without further ado, let's get on with the peel off mask. I'm going to just mix it and apply it on my skin so we can give it a nice lift, so we can prepare our skin for Christmas holidays. So we're gonna look nice and bright, flawless skin. So here we go. So I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes until it dries. It's best that you kept motionless, so no expression, not talking on the phone. Just let the skin relax and just let it dry so it does its job where it lifts and firms everything. So I am going to come back in 20 minutes when we remove it so we can see the amazing results. But no more talking, we gotta go. Right? Right. Hold your skin and pull slightly, and then pick up an edge of the mask and peel off. Just so with one hand you hold the skin down, and then with the other one you peel. It's pretty remarkable because you can see the stimulation of the oxygen, and that leads into formation of collagen and elastin. So skin is gonna look fabulous, just fabulous. So I'm just going to take all of that off. Then I will tone with my toner. I will apply my moisturizer. And then of course I will prime my skin for makeup. Apply the foundation and continue. So we will come back with it. It's a little bit of work to get the peel off mask out of your skin, but you know, it's all worth it. Oh my God, the amazing results of the peel off mask, and then the customization of what you put in it, right? Like we put in lavender and rosemary for actual firmness. Okay, so I rinsed it off, whatever remaining. Of course, I peeled off most of it, all of it, but there's the bits and pieces around that you have to make sure that they're all from your hair. You wash them off with water, and yeah, it's all dry. And now I'm going to proceed with my moisturizer. But the skin looks really good, hey? What do you think? Like, you can see the oxygenation and the stimulation of the blood cells, how they carry the oxygen. That helps stimulate the collagen factor. So collagen composition takes place, and that's going to last for many, many days. The firmness and the contouring of the mask, it's actually going to benefit my skin. This amazing mask. So yeah, make sure that you once or twice a week, ladies. Your mask of your choice. I'll give you more details on other videos, but this particular one was a peel-off mask, which is a rejuvenating mask. I applied some rosemary essential oil, 2 drops, and 2 drops of essential oil of lavender. All prepped, ready. Now, if I have to go out and do my makeup, I will give it about 10 minutes for the skin to relax and calm down and absorb the moisturizing, which is a Marigold that I use right now, known for its healing and calming effects on the skin. So I'll come back with the preparation of makeup. Looking fabulous at 60. It takes taking care of. It takes persistence to look good. Taking care of your inner and outer. So taking in the right nutrients, right foods, juicing, not too much alcohol, not too much caffeine, not too much sugar, sleeping enough, resting, walking in the park, and exercising, which is the key. Let's not forget about the exercises, right? So this is the exercise that we do for our skin, for our facial. It's all ready and prepped. I hope you've enjoyed the benefits of this amazing, uplifting mask. And I look forward to see you again on the next video. Don't forget to hit that red button below, subscribe, and share that with all your friends so I can continue making more videos for you. Any comments, please write to me. I will be more than happy to reply. Thank you. I love you. Come back for more. Cheers. Not bad. After that remarkable mask that we had, right? It sure lifted all these jowls and gave you a nice plump skin. Lavender, rosemary, and olive oil. Nice mask. So remember, twice a week, take care of that skin so it can persevere and take care of you so it can keep you happy and smiling every time you glance in that mirror. Yeah, I look good. So just lipstick and you look great because you feel good. If I was to do a full makeup right now, we will look at remarkable results. So we can do that. Stay tuned for more.